Hello, good day. Our project title is about Marketplace Sales Order Management System. I am Brian Ronnie Hernandez.
I'm Mark Reddy Aquino.
Na Alfonso Jolem Castillo.
The company profile, the Marketplace Sales Order Management System is designed to help businesses and individual seller streamline their operation on Facebook Marketplace. The meaning of this is it simplifies the way sellers handle customer inquiries, manage orders, track inventory, confirm payments, and coordinate deliveries, all placed in one. Uh, the key features of this system are first, automated order processing. The meaning of this is handles customer orders and sends timely update to keep buyers informed. The second is real-time inventory management. The meaning of this is it keeps low stock levels up to date to avoid overselling and ensure smooth operations. Third is the payment verification. Quickly verifies payment through connected tools like email or payment apps for saving time and avoid errors. One of the specific example of payment verification is like what I've said, the tools like email or payment apps. The fourth is organized customer communication. It streamlines messaging, making interaction faster and more professional. This system is a very user-friendly and easy-to-use setup, enabling sellers to focus more on growing their business and less on repetitive manual tasks. It's a game changer for improving customer satisfaction and ensuring seamless operation. Background of the seller. I am the seller. My name is Brian Rani Hernandez. I'm a dedicated student working hard to graduate and achieve my dreams. Alongside my studies, I I am continue contributing to my tuition fees by selling items I no longer use on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. This effort not only helps me financially but also promotes sustainability by giving pre-love items a second life. Every purchase you make directly supports my education and brings me closer to my goals.
In functional area, customer inquiries automatically respond to customer questions about product availability, pricing, and delivery option via Messenger. Order processing, logs order, and check stocks available, updating customers on order status. Payment confirmation automatically verifies payment and marks order as paid, eliminating manual checks and inventory management, updates stocks level in real time and sends alerts for low stock, ensure accurate inventory. And in order fulfillment, adds payment orders to dispatch list, sends tracking details to customer and monitor the delivery status. And in sales reporting, generates detailed sales report, track performance and trends. And in organizational chart, sales manager oversees the entire process and addressing escalations. Order processor handles incoming orders, verifies stocks, and communicates with customer. Inventory specialist monitors and updates stocks level, ensuring accurate inventory management. And logistic coordinator coordinates shipping and provides tracking details to customer.
The process description. The process begins with extracting sales order data from Facebook Marketplace and saving it into an Excel file, ensuring the information is organized and readily accessible. UiPath then automates key tasks such as checking inventory against the sales data, confirming order status, and notifying customers. Finally, completed sales orders are added to dispatch list and tracking details are shared with customers to keep them informed by automating these repetitive steps, the process saves time, minimize errors, and ensures a seamless sales order management experience. So, for your UiPath, meron po kami ditong ginamit po namin is Excel automation. So, naglagay po kami dito ng Excel application scope. Then, in-import po namin yung Excel file na ginawa namin. And dito po sa loop namin, naglagay po kami ng create table para ma-read niya po yung information na nasa loob na Excel. So, naglagay din po kami ng read range. So, dito po sa for each row in data table, naglagay po kami ng variable na dito orders. Tapos, sa item ko, meron po kami current row. So, the body po, naglagay po kami ng assign dito. So, ito po mga variable, email, customer name, product, total amount, delete. Meron po sila kanilang value to save. Then, gumamit po kami ng Gmail, use Gmail para ma-inform po yung mga client na nag-order na yung details po ng kanilang kinuhang product. So, ito po yung Gmail na ginamit namin reference. And then, ayun lang po. So, pag niran po natin ito, lalabas po yun dito sa Gmail. And dito po makikita po natin yung details. Yun lang po. Thank you po.